Understanding streaks in language apps.
Track how many consecutive days you've completed lessons. They're designed to encourage regular, consistent study. Keeping your streak going can reinforce daily habits, making language practice a routine rather than a chore. Remember, a streak is a motivational tool. It's about consistency, not perfection. Missing a day doesn't mean failure. Just pick up where you left off.
What does XP actually mean?
XP stands for experience points. You earn XP by completing activities, lessons, or challenges in language apps. XP measures your engagement and progress over time. It helps you track how much effort you're putting in, but it's not a direct indicator of language mastery. Use XP as a way to set goals, monitor improvement, and celebrate steady learning progress.
How to use streaks to stay motivated.
Treat your streak as a gentle reminder to practice daily. Seeing your streak grow can be rewarding and help build positive study habits. Set realistic goals. Aim for consistency rather than long, stressful sessions. Some apps allow you to set a streak freeze if you miss a day. So use these tools to reduce pressure and avoid burnout.
Making the most of XP.
Set daily or weekly XP goals that match your own learning pace. Celebrate XP milestones as small victories to boost your motivation. Compare your XP with friends or other learners for friendly competition if that motivates you. Remember, focusing on steady progress and regular practice will help you learn more efficiently than simply chasing high XP numbers.
Balancing streaks, XP, and real learning.
Streaks and XP are helpful motivators, but actual learning happens when you focus on understanding and using the language. Avoid letting the numbers distract you from your real goals. Use these features as helpful guides to stay on track while prioritizing comprehension, speaking, and active practice. This way, you'll enjoy both steady progress and real results in your language journey.